Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Cream. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle. It's a thick cream that moisturizes the skin real well. This is definitely a woman's fragrance. It does smell real nice. Like when my wife put it on. It's a nice fragrance for when you're going out, maybe in a nice area, nice place, evening out fragrance type of body cream. Let me show you a little bit what the cream looks like. So you see it's thick and it rubs in pretty nice. So I hope this review helps. Enjoy.